PerfectHours, a task management solution. Task mastery at your fingertips, unleash your productivity. Fabricated by anonymous Bhai. Hello everyone. Today, I stand before you as the leader of Team Anonymous Bhai, consisting of myself, Siddharth Shri, a first-year computer science student who is also pursuing a Bachelor of Science degree in data science.
And I'm Sudhanshu Sharma, an expert in the management sector, and I'm currently acting as a senior executive at Tata Power. We have embarked on a mission to deliver the finest task management solution. Our journey began when I personally encountered the difficulties of managing tasks effectively. As a manager, it became increasingly challenging to keep track of assigned tasks, their deadlines, and the individuals responsible for their completion. Surprisingly, there was no widely recognized web application addressing this crucial issue. It was at this point that my brother had a brilliant idea: to develop a web application specifically tailored for task management.
Our innovative web application not only assists managers and company owners in tracking their employees' tasks and deadlines, but it also measures their efficiency. Through our system, managers can easily identify top performers as well as those who may need improvement. Although our current version offers limited features, we have grand plans for its future development. In our upcoming years, we aim to empower employees to set personal deadlines for their tasks, allowing them to strive for higher efficiency levels. If an employee achieves their self-imposed deadline, they will be rewarded with extra points, further incentivizing productivity. Moreover, we are excited to expand into the education sector, providing teachers with a platform to assess students' performance. Given my limited language proficiency, we will be utilizing Python, HTML, and CSS to develop this web application initially. However, I have aspirations to incorporate JavaScript in the future, enhancing the application's functionality and user experience. I'm thrilled to introduce you to PerfectHours, an innovative website designed to revolutionize the way managers and employees track and enhance productivity. It may not be flashy or extraordinary at first glance, but I assure you, when it comes to its applications, productivity, and real-life use, it stands as one of the best solutions available. Especially in a country like India, where a popular task management solution is lacking. In this clip, we will showcase a prototype of our website, giving you a glimpse into its powerful features. To get started, we need to log in using a registered ID. Once logged in, the website opens up your personalized profile, tailored to your specific role. Let's take a look. Here, we have the profile of a manager. As you can see, there are a plethora of features available, designed to provide a comprehensive overview of your team's performance. Let's explore some of them. One of the prominent features is Top Performer. This feature allows managers to easily identify the employees who consistently excel in their work. It provides valuable insights into their productivity, efficiency, and overall contribution. Another compelling feature is Timeline Followers. This feature enables managers to stay updated on the progress of ongoing projects. By following the timeline, managers can track task completion, monitor deadlines, and ensure seamless collaboration among team members. Now, let's switch gears and explore the employee's perspective. As an employee, you will have access to a different set of features, focusing on your personal performance and growth. We understand that sometimes, employees may encounter challenges or require assistance. That's where the Need Assistance feature comes into play. It allows employees to seek help from their managers or colleagues, fostering a supportive and collaborative work environment. A key feature for employees is the Points system. This feature rewards employees with points for completing tasks successfully. Additionally, bonus points are awarded for finishing tasks ahead of schedule. The faster you complete your work, the more points you earn. PerfectHours is an all-encompassing platform designed to empower both managers and employees. Providing real-time data and fostering a culture of transparency enables organizations to enhance productivity and celebrate their top performers. Thank you for your valuable time.